So I had the privilege of staying in a junior suite during my time on Wonders of the Seas cruise, and guys, I absolutely loved it. It was so worth the money and it was so worth the extra coins. First things first, guys, the room has so much space. Like, just look at this. Little old me with all this space. You know, I don't play around with my hotel room, so I was pleasantly surprised. Now let's start off with the walk-in wardrobe. Yes, you heard it right. There is a walk-in wardrobe, and look how much storage and space there is. Originally wasn't going to unpack because it was only 3 days, but just seeing this made me just unpack all my stuff. I was literally like, no, I'm unpacking. And I just loved it. Like, there was so much storage. If you're someone who overpacks, this is the room for you because you won't run out of space. Onto the bathroom, I'll be so honest with you, I did feel like it was a bit small and quite cramped, but it had all the storage and a bath and a shower, and I actually bath, so I was kind of happy about that because I love me a good old bath. So was impressed. I would just say it is a little bit small. Now moving on, just as you're walking, you have a full-length mirror, which is amazing. Like, this is so necessary when you're getting ready. At the end of the day, the girls need a mirror. The bed was extremely comfy. I think they joined 2 beds together, but you don't feel it when you're sleeping on it. It has a very firm feel. Of course, more storage on the side, more towards the balcony area. There's like a cutesy little living room area with a couch, table, TV, and I just thought this was really nice because it gave apartment feel. Like, it really felt like home, even though it was 3 days. Like, the fact that I've done this for my first cruise, I don't think I can level down. Like, it has to only be up from here because it was just amazing. The space, look at the cutesy couch. Then this was my favorite part because in the mornings I would use this mirror and a chair to get ready. You've got like a cute little vanity area. The mirror does actually light up. I wasn't able to get a clip of that, but absolutely amazing when I'm getting ready in the mornings. It's perfect. Here's some more storage space. There's a fridge as well, so you know you can put your food, drinks, all of that good stuff in there. Like, guys, one thing about it, you will never run out of space. Like, look how much storage space there is. There's so much. And then they also do have a safe as well, so you can put all your, valuables inside the box and set up a pin, which is always really important when you're going to different places because you just want to make sure that your valuables are secured. And then, of course, my favorite part of the room is the balcony. The balcony was just a million out of 10. The views, like, I just woke up purposely early just to take in the views. Like, look at that. So beautiful. The sea is so blue. You can just sit down with your drink or coffee. Guys, I absolutely love this room. I highly recommend it. I know it can be a bit pricey, but just save the extra coin because it's so worth it and your comfort levels deserve a luxury room. So, yeah, that's my overall review.